Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about multiple purpose trolley storage organizer and kitchen accessories item for kitchen storage. Let's start about its features. Kitchenwell Multi-Purpose Trolley Storage Organization and Kitchen Accessories has many key features. Study construction. The trolley is built with durable materials, ensuring it can withstand the weight of various kitchen items, whether you are storing fruit, vegetables, or kitchen tools. This trolley won't let you down. Multiple layers. The square design features multiple layers or shelves, providing ample space for organizing your kitchen essentials. You can segregate items based on your use or category, making it easier to find whatever you need. Easy mobility. Thanks to its wheel, this trolley can be effortlessly moved around your kitchen. Need to shift it closer to the stove while cooking? No problem. The smooth rolling wheels ensure convenience. Versatile use. Use it a vegetable and fruit storage rack, an onion and cutlery organization, or even as a mini pantry. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Sleek design. The minimalist design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen space. It won't look out of place whether you have a modern or traditional kitchen decor. If you like this review, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For next video, keep watching. Till that, thank you. Bye.